welcome 10th class students. This is your unit 5 areas related to circles. Exercise 5.2. This is third question. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes means the clock minute hand is at 1. In this clock 12 parts are there. Therefore, the length of the minute hand of a clock, that is R, radius. It is taken as radius 14 centimeter, and theta 1 by 12th part, because it is 5 minutes, that is 1 by 12th part of 360 degrees. Total angle is 360, that's why we have taken 360. Then 12 1 ja, 12 3 ja, 0 as it is 30 degree. Theta is equal to 30 degree angle of the sector. This 12 to 1. This is a sector. The area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is equal to area of sector, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. This is equal to 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. 0 0 get cancelled. 3 1 ja, 3 12 ja. Then 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja. This is 2 6 ja, 2 11 ja. 2 3 ja, 2 1 ja. Then 11 into 14 by 3. This is equal to 154 by 3 centimeter square. This is the area of the sector or area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. That is area of sector. This is equal to 154 by 3 centimeter square. The next question is a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. It means this is right angle. Center is O. Here it makes a right angle 90 degree. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment. Minor segment is this minor segment. Major sector. This is the major sector. And pi we have to use 3.14. Here what is given? Radius of the circle is given, that is 10 centimeter. Angle subtended at the center is theta is equal to 90 degree. Then area of the minor sector. This is minor sector. OAB is a minor sector, is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. This is 90 by 360 into 3.14, because it is given. I have to use 3.14 into 10 into 10. This is 0 0 get cancelled. 9 1 ja, 9 4 ja. Then 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. Like this also you can cancel r like this. 9 1 ja, 9 4 ja. 2 1 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja. Then 2 1 ja, 2 2 1 ja, 2. Then 5 2 5 ja, 2 7 ja. Then multiply these two. 15.7 into 5. That's why you are getting 78.5 centimeter square. This is the area of the minor sector. Area of the minor sector. Now what is remaining? Area of triangle. Area of triangle you have to find out. To find the minor segments area. Then area of triangle AOB, that is area of triangle. This triangle AOB, this triangle you have to find out. This is a right angle triangle, therefore base is given and height also you can take. This is base is also 10 and height is also 10. Therefore area of triangle AOB, this is half into base into height, that is half into 10 into 10. This is 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 5 into 10, 50 centimeter square is the area of triangle. and area of minor segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. Area of minor segment is equal to 78.5 minus 50 is equal to 28.5 centimeter square. Now area of major sector is asked. Therefore area of major sector, area of circle minus area of minor sector. Therefore area of major sector is equal to pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square minus 78.5. We have already calculated this one. Then 3.14 into 10 into 10 minus 78.5. 3.14 into this is 100. Therefore it is 314, because after decimal these two digits are there. Here two zeros are there. Therefore it will compensate. Therefore 314 minus 78.5, you are getting, when you are subtracting, you are getting 235.5 centimeter square. This is your fourth question. Here your all questions are in fourth question. Whatever they have asked, area of major sector, area of minor segment, all you have calculated. And the fifth question is, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. This is your circle. Radius is 21 centimeter and the angle at the center is 60 degree. Then find the length of the arc. Second part is area of the sector formed by the arc. Length of the arc, that is length of this sector, and the length of the sector formed is, area of the sector formed is OAB, you have to find out. Then area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Then this area you have to find out. The radius of the circle R is equal to 21 centimeter. This is given. And an arc subtends an angle at the center, theta is equal to 60 degree. Then length of the arc is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. For finding the length, we are using 2 pi r here. Then 60 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 21. Therefore 0 get cancelled. 6 6 ja. Then 7 3 ja 3, 2 ja 2, 2 get cancelled. Then 22 centimeter is the length of the arc. Area of the sector formed by the arc, area of this sector AOB. This is theta into pi r square, that is 60 by theta by 360 into pi r square, that is 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. Therefore 7 3 ja 3, this 0 get cancelled. 6 1 ja 6 6 ja. This is 3 2 ja 2, 11 ja. Then 11 into 21 is equal to 231 centimeter square. Then two sides of this triangle are equal, and the here angle given is 60 degree. Then these two angles are also equal. Sum of the angles is equal to 180 degree. Therefore remaining 120 is divided equally. Then for this is also 60 and this is also 60. Therefore this is an equilateral triangle. Therefore this is, if two sides are radii are equal, then and the theta is equal to 60 degree. Therefore AOB is an equilateral triangle. Area of an equilateral triangle is, by using Heron's formula, S is equal to semi perimeter is equal to 3a by 2. Area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus 1, S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is S is equal to 3a by 2, and 3a by 2 minus A, 3a by 2 minus A, again same, because A, B, C are all sides are equal. That is A we have taken here. Here how you are calculating 3a minus A, 3a by 2 minus A. This is nothing is there, means in denominator 1 is there. Therefore you are taking 2 as LCM. Therefore 3a minus 2a you are getting by 2. Then 3a minus 2a, that is a by 2. Like this you have solved this one, all these brackets. Therefore 3 into a by 2 into a by 2 into a by 2 into a by 2. 2 2 you have made the group. 1 you have, if you are taking outside the square root, then you are taking only 1 a by 2 into 1 a by 2 and root 3. This is root 3 you are getting here. Therefore root 3 by 2 to the 4 and a into a square. This is the formula for equilateral triangle, area of equilateral triangle, where a is equal to r. And then area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. This is 231. Already you have found, already you have calculated, minus root 3 by 4 into 21 into 21. This is 21 into 21, that is 21 square, that is 441 root 3 by 4. This is your 231 minus 441 root 3 by 4. This is centimeter square. This is in centimeter square because this is an area. I hope you have followed all these questions. Thank you and have a nice day.